These aren't just meat patties. The buckwheat makes them crazy juicy, and the tomato sauce does the rest. All the ingredients are in the description, so you can cook along without pausing. I simmer buckwheat groats in lightly salted water, then set them aside to cool down. I blitz onion, garlic, and parsley nice and fine. No blender, a grater works too. Stay with me. The groats and semolina are the little glue that keeps these tender, not crumbly. I season the ground meat with salt and pepper. Then I add the onion mix, semolina, the egg, and the cooled buckwheat, and mix until it turns one smooth mass. If you like simple, cozy dinners like this, hit subscribe. I cook this way all the time. I let the mixture rest for 10 to 15 minutes, then shape patties with wet hands. Little tip, don't pack them too tight. A gentle hand keeps them soft and juicy. I pan fry them on both sides until beautifully golden, about 4 minutes per side. And don't rush this part. That golden crust is where the flavor lives. For the sauce, I stir tomato passata with grated garlic, skip it if you want, herbs, salt, pepper, and a splash of water. I like it a bit thinner so it hugs every patty, and the buckwheat inside stays extra moist. I pour the sauce over the patties and simmer on the lowest heat for about 30 minutes, covered. Finish with chopped parsley, it wakes up the whole pot. Done. Tender patties in tomato sauce, the kind of dinner that disappears fast. Enjoy! Thanks for cooking with me. Leave a like and come back for more easy family-style meals.